নমস্কার। বাংলায় বলছি। আশা করি আপনি বুঝতে পারবেন। আমি আপনার জামাই ভাবি তো। আদরণীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতাজি, এই মঞ্চে উপস্থিত অতিথি আর কলকাতার আমার সব আত্মীয়, মানে দাদা দিদি মামা মামি কাকা কাকি বৌদি দাদু দিদু সবাইকে আমার ভালোবাসা ও প্রণাম। বাস আর পাচ্ছি না। এইবার ইংরেজি। এখানে অনেক বাইরের থেকে অতিথি এসেছেন, ওনারা তো বাংলা বুঝে না, তাই। Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, the respected Mamata Banerjee, for inviting me here today at the inauguration of the 18th Kolkata International Film Festival, and giving me the privilege and a great honor of being present yet again in this wondrous city, Kolkata, India's cultural capital. Apart from the domestic connect that I have with this city, Kolkata has always been a very special place in my heart. It was in this city that I got my first job as an executive in a British managing agency house, and it was this city where the first seeds of me wanting to become an actor in the great Indian film industry was sown, and therefore Kolkata has always had a very special place in my heart. Since then, when I was in Calcutta, each visit of mine to this glorious city has been welcomed with passion, love, and warmth that I can tell you honestly I have never ever experienced in any other part of the world. The people of Kolkata have a special quality of lifting your spirits up. And every time I feel that if any one of us is feeling depressed or low in life, come to Kolkata because they will raise your spirits. So today, as we officially celebrate the 100 years of Indian cinema, I cannot but be filled with pride to have been a small part of an industry which without a doubt is considered to be one of the largest entertainment businesses in the world. Almost a century ago, on the 3rd of May 1913, Dadasaheb Phalke screened Raja Harishchand at the Coronation Cinema in Mumbai. And from that milestone started the historic and very joyous journey of cinema in India. Today, through tough challenges and many trials and tribulations, this very cinema, which certain sections of our society consider to be infra-dig to be associated with, is now almost a parallel culture of this country. It has, through the years, reflected India's fluctuating social mores, held a mirror to its political and social history, and often been the voice of the poor and the downtrodden. I had once asked my father, the eminent poet and litterateur Dr. Harivansh Rai Bachchan, what was it about Indian cinema that was so fascinating? He said, when you watch an Indian film, you are assured of poetic justice in 3 hours. For many of us, it'll take 3 generations or perhaps 3 lives ever to attain poetic justice. And I thought that that was a very apt and worthy description of what cinema means to all of us. So 1913 saw the first full-length motion picture produced in India by Dadasaheb Phalke. However, the very first Indian movie to be released in our country was a silent film in Marathi, which was called Shri Pundalik, and it was by Dadasaheb Torne, and it was released around May 18th in 1912 at the Coronation Cinematograph in Bombay, then known as Bombay. But even before that, and this is very important for an occasion like this, even before that, a private show was arranged by the agents of the two Lumiere brothers, Louis and Auguste, pioneers of cinematography in France, at the Watson Hotel in Bombay on the 17th of July 1896. And following the screenings of these short films, it was a Bengali gentleman, Hiralal Sen, who directed a series of bioscopes beginning with The Flower of Persia in 1898. So thus our love for cinema goes way beyond 100 years. With Hiralal Sen's foray into films, Bengal helped pioneer cinema in India. These short films were shown as added attractions after stage performances at the Star Theatre, the Minerva Theatre, and the Classic Theatre in North Kolkata, where commercial plays were a big hit with a cross-section of the audiences. And the first decade of the 20th century saw live recorded performances being clubbed together in the same program. The era of silent films gained popularity across India. Bombay grew to become the hub of the movie industry. Content of commercial cinema appealed to the masses, and for the first time, boards of film censors were set up in cities like Bombay, Calcutta, Rangoon, and this was the year 1920, and later on in Lahore, which is now in Pakistan, in the year 1927. Regional cinema gained popularity, especially here in Bengal, where tremendous respect for culture and its cultural and intellectual roots found a new creative outlet. The first Bengali feature film in 1917 was a remake of Dadasaheb Phalke's Raja Harishchand. And even though the Bombay-based film industry was more prolific, around 122 films were made in Calcutta during the silent era. Then in the early 30s, cinema began to talk, sing, dance, laugh. Alomara became the first Indian film with a soundtrack, released on the 14th of March 1931. Southern India and Bengal did not lag behind, and the first talkie in Bengal was also released in the year 1931 by the name of Jamai Shashti. As studios erupted in Pune and Bombay, so also in Bengal. New theatres became the dream of one man, Sir B.N. Sarkar. The first Indian chain of cinema theatres was owned by a Calcutta entrepreneur named Jamshedji Framji Madan. And the first cinema hall in India being built by him was in 1907, named the Elphinstone Picture Palace. New theatres of Bengal also started the star trend. Magical names like Pramathesh Barua, Kanan Bala, Durga Das, Prithvi Raj Kapoor, K.L. Sehgal, and others became legendary. Directors of the eminence of Devaki Bose, Bimal Roy made some of their best films under this banner. P.C. Barua produced Sharat Chandra Chatterjee's famous Devdas in 1935, influencing, of course, generations of filmmakers and viewers down the line, and many versions of Devdas have been made since, and One of them has starred your brand ambassador, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Bengali literature thus became an element which provided a rich and fertile soil for many memorable screenplays. The 30s and 40s were the heyday as much for films made in Bombay as in Calcutta. And through the years up to the present, the contributions made by the great talent emerging from this region has been immense. Pather Panchali, made by Satyajit Ray in 1955, marked the importance of our films globally. The Apu trilogy won many prizes at all the major international festivals. Manikda, as we endearingly called him, was also honored by the Oscars. Many more critically acclaimed films went on to be made by Satyajit Ray and Ritwik Ghatak, followed by independent filmmakers such as Mrinal Sen. The contributions made by Bengal to Indian cinema has been absolutely enormous. Eminent directors like Bimal Roy, Nitin Bose, Rishikesh Mukherjee had initially started their careers from this city of Calcutta before moving on to Bombay. Bengali cinema has also produced some of the most phenomenal artists whose contribution shall ever remain unparalleled. Great men and women who have gone before us and those who are still working and make us very proud. We remember the old-time thespian Chobi Bishwas, Chaya Devi, Chandravati, Uttam Kumar, the original guru, Bikash Roy, Robi Ghosh, Bhanu Banerjee, and so many others. The list is endless. My respectful salutations then to fellow artists and colleagues, Suchitra Sen, Soumitra Chatterjee, Madhavi Mukherjee, and all the new generation actors and directors who continue to weave their dreams into the rich fabric of our films. The greats that have mesmerized generations of viewers in the past and that shall continue, I'm sure, to delight generations to come. The significance, therefore, ladies and gentlemen, of the 18th Kolkata International Film Festival is there for all to know, see, hear, and experience. I consider it an immense honor that an invitation was extended to me, an actor essentially functional and associated with the Mumbai film industry, and one that can safely be identified as being associated with the more popular escapist commercial cinema of our country. To be invited to the inaugural ceremony of today's event is indeed a great respectful honor, as I said. The kind of cinema that we get associated with has often borne the brunt of sharp criticism, sarcasm, and a great deal of cynicism. The cynicism and criticism was about the content and the quality of our films. But through time, despite all the negativities, we have not changed our content, and happily so. Because for that very content, we have come closer to an international community that has now begun to recognize us in great numbers. And a large amount of our presence, ladies and gentlemen, in the international world during the last few years has been due to some of our great superstars, one of which is Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, for having promoted our cinema so widely in the international world. I wish this festival of films a great success, and I am certain that the very discerning and intellectual audiences of Kolkata, and indeed Bengal, shall find this week to be most invigorating. I end with these immortal words of the great Guru Rabindranath Tagore. Banglar mati, Banglar jol, Banglar bayu, Banglar phol. Punya hok, punya hok, punya hok, he Bhagavan. O Lord, may the earth, the water, and the air of Bengal be forever sanctified. Shubha Bijoy, Happy Diwali. Thank you.
Thank you. A very good evening to everyone here, and yes, I love you too, and wonderful to be here back in Kolkata. First of all, a warm welcome to all the dignitaries and all the filmmakers, all the participants who've been coming here the last few years, and I just want to tell you that the passion and all the creativity that you bring to this city, we welcome it with open arms, and what we need to offer to you is the love and warmth that Bengal and Kolkata has to offer. So welcome here and have a great time in the next 7, 8, 9 days that you're going to be participating in the 18th Kolkata International Film Festival. And a big thank you to the great Mr. Amitabh Bachchan for honoring us by his presence. And of course, all the dignitaries on stage, and my favorite, the one and only Mithun Da. Thank you, Dada. And the two beautiful ladies, I've become so used to being traveling with them, I don't leave home without them now. So a big, a big thanks and warm welcome to Katrina Kaif and Anushka Sharma. Thank you, and it's really sweet of you to be here. And I wish you, I come here every time because not only in the capacity of being the brand ambassador, I'm someone who's been accepted in the city and in the state with open arms, with warmth and love. So I thank you all for doing that. And I've been introduced to the passion, the poetry, the love, the writing, the literature of the city and the state. And one other thing that really entices me to keep coming back here, I look forward to as soon as I get onto the plane or whichever part of the world I am in. Unlike Mithun Da, I'm not hijacked. I come with, full wanting to be here, because all I want to see is Mamta Di running around energetically and pushing everyone and getting things done, and her marvelous enthusiasm. I don't know if it's proper to say, but she does carry a big, powerful punch in a small little packet. Yeah, she's really, really cool. So thank you, Mamta Di, for inviting us over here, and I hope this mix of enthusiasm and energy that the whole organization of the 18th International Film Festival of Kolkata brings, and the passion, the love, the poetry that the city has to offer for years, and the literature and the culture that your state has to offer, our state has to offer. I hope this mix leads on to much more wonderful and greater things for all of us. Thank you very much once again, and have a great stay here. God bless you all. Thank you.
are really privileged and we are delighted that Amitabh ji is inaugurating this film festival. It's an honor for Bengal and it's an honor for the world film also. We are really grateful. I'm really grateful to my brother Shahrukh. He accepted as a Bengal brand, this brand ambassador, and also he came along with Katerina and Anushka. I welcome all of them. We are really privileged. মিঠুনদা তো ডায়লগ বলেন কখনো কখনো ফিল্মি ডায়লগ, কিন্তু মিঠুনদাই চিরকাল একই রকম রয়ে গেছেন এবং আমাদের ভালোবেসেছেন বাংলাকে। যদিও ওপরে নেই, নিচে আছেন বাপি লাহিড়ী, শানু, কুমার শানু, তারাও এসছেন আজকে। তাছাড়াও আমি অনেককেই দেখতে পাচ্ছি, তার মধ্যে আমি যোগেন্দা সুভাদারা যেমন আছেন, আমি আমাদের মধ্যে দ্বিজেনদা, রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীতের শ্রদ্ধেয় লিজেন্ডারি দ্বিজেনদা আছেন, আমাদের মধ্যে দীপঙ্কর দে আছেন, আমাদের মধ্যে রঞ্জিত মল্লিক আছেন, আমাদের মধ্যে সন্দীপ রায় আছেন। রঞ্জিত দা, গৌতম দা, সন্দীপ রায় এরা ভীষণভাবে কাজ করেছেন এই ফিল্ম ফেস্টিভ্যালকে সাকসেসফুল করবার জন্য। আর গৌতম দা তো বাইরে প্রোগ্রাম ছিল, আমি প্রায় ঝগড়াঝাটি করে নিয়ে এসেছি একদিনের জন্য, কারণ যারা তৈরি করেছেন তারা থাকবেন, এটা তো হতে পারে না। এছাড়াও আমাদের মধ্যে মাধবী দি আছেন, আমাদের খুব প্রিয় সন্ধ্যা দি আছেন, হারাধন দা আছেন, কলকাতা কর্পোরেশনের মেয়র আছেন, আমার চিফ সেক্রেটারি থেকে শুরু করে অল অফিসিয়াল স্টাফস, অল গভর্নমেন্ট অফিসিয়ালস, চেম্বার্স, কালচারাল ইন্ডাস্ট্রি, ফিল্ম স্টার, টেলিভিশন চ্যানেলের স্টারেরা, আমাদের সঙ্গীত জগৎ থেকে শুরু করে, সাহিত্য জগৎ থেকে শুরু করে, শিল্প জগৎ থেকে শুরু করে, সাধারণ মানুষ থেকে শুরু করে আমার ভাই বোনেরা সকলেই এসছেন, কি আসেনি। I welcome all of my international delegates here. We are really delighted. More than 2,000 the international delegates are participating in this international festival, film festival. It's an honor for Bengal. And Dev আর কোয়েল, ওদিকে পরমব্রত জুন, ওদিকে স্বয়ং থেকে শুরু করে এরা থালিগালের কাজ করলেন, ভাষণ দিলেন, সবাইকে নিয়ে কি সুন্দর একটা অনুষ্ঠান। এবং আমাদের এখানে প্রায় 189 ফিল্ম, প্রায় 60টা কান্ট্রি, it will be screened 189 films from 60 countries. এবং আমরা খুব খুশি যে এখানে একটা ভালো ফিল্ম ফেস্টিভ্যাল আমরা করছি। কলকাতা ইজ দ্য সিটি অফ, আমরা জানি বেঙ্গল ইজ এ ল্যান্ড অফ রবীন্দ্রনাথ টেগর, নজরুল ইসলাম, স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ, রামকৃষ্ণ পরমহংস, and so many. And from the filmy world, yes, everybody remembering Satyajit Ray, Ritik Ghatak, Tapan Sinha, then Uttam Kumar. We cannot forget all this. এবং it is a pioneer industry. But I am sorry to say, really, my heart is burning, heart is crying, because this year we lost. Like A.K. Hangal, there's Yash Chopra ji, then superhero Rajesh Khanna ji, Devanand ji. In Bengal also, there are somebody we have lost. I am remembering all of them. I am happy to announce this time Kolkata Film Festival has received recognition from PIAP, Paris. This is a great contribution from the film industry. I am really happy to see it. This time, these 189 films from 60 countries will be screened in different venues, especially Nandan 1, Nandan 2, Nandan 3, Rabindra Sadan, Shishir Mancho, Purvoshree, Star Paradise, Nobina, Mitra, SRFTI, Hiralal Sen Mancho. And especially we are proud of our Hollywood, Bollywood and Tollywood. And if I say that Tollywood is doing also very well, Hollywood is very famous for the world film, Bollywood, my Mumbai film industry, and Tollywood also. We are proud of it. And this time, our focus of this festival is the African calling. We are screening about 45 films this time, and Amitabhji's also 7 film. It will be screened. An Indian film also will be screened. Africa is our theme. With this festival, in this festival, we will pay centenary tribute to the great Italian film director Michelangelo Antonioni, and also our homage like Andrei Tarkovsky and also Theodore Angiopoulos, and tribute to our English writer Charles Dickens in his 200th birth anniversary. We will also pay our tribute to him. This film festival will be held in Bardhaman and Siliguri also. Bardhaman and Siliguri, it is 19th to 25th November and 22nd to 28th November. আগামী দিন আমাদের ছেলেমেয়েরা পারবে পারবে পারবে, গড়বে গড়বে গড়বে, তৈরি করবে, এগিয়ে যাবে, বাংলা 1 নম্বর হবেই হবে। এটা আমাদের প্রতিজ্ঞা, আমাদের শপথ। অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you, Chief Minister. Thank you, Amit Da. Thank you, Shahrukh Bhai, Anushka, Katrina, আমাদের উপস্থিত all honored guests and my international guests here. Thank you very much for coming here. I wish I could translate what I'm saying in English because I'm not that educated. But anyways, আমি জানি এখানে যারা যারা এসেছেন তাদের সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ, আমাদের ভাই বোন পশ্চিম বাংলার। আজকের এই ফেস্টিভ্যাল নিয়ে অনেকে প্রশ্ন করছে কি এই ফেস্টিভ্যালের ব্যাপার এত কি। আমি খালি একটাই ব্যাপার বলো, এটা যদি আমরা ধরে রাখতে পারি যেভাবে এটা এগিয়ে চলছে, ফার্স্ট অফ অল আই থ্যাংক এভরিওয়ান behind this grand show, and I only wish that we continue to do so under the leadership of our Chief Minister. I'm very sure it's going to be one of the best. There's no doubt about it. One of the best. And secondly, যে ক্রাউড যে ভালোবাসা পশ্চিমবঙ্গ দেয়, যতক্ষণ এই দাঁড়া আমাকে বলতে দে, এরা আমাকে বলতে দেবে না স্যার। they want is a मामित जी, ये लोग मुझे बोलने नहीं देते, बोलते डायलॉग बोलो। अभी ये कोई जगह नहीं है डायलॉग बोलने। शाहरुख भाई, अरे भाई ये जगह नहीं है यार, समझा करो भाई। যাই হোক, যেটা বলছিলাম কে আরে আবার হাসছো, আমি যেটা বলছিলাম আর কি, এই ফেস্টিভ্যালের ব্যাপার হলো এই সব থেকে বেশি আমাদের চিফ মিনিস্টারের ভালোবাসার মধ্যে লুকিয়ে রয়েছে। তার পরিচয় তো দেখতেই পাচ্ছেন, কেননা সবাইকে অলমোস্ট এভরিওয়ান, জানি অমিত জিও হ্যাঁ বলেছেন বিকজ দিদি কল্ড। শাহরুখ ভাই তো আসতেই হবে, কেন শাহরুখ ভাই আমাদের অ্যাম্বাসেডর। অনুষ্কা এসছে, তারপরে ক্যাটরিনা এসছে, আর আমাকে তো অলমোস্ট হাইজ্যাক করে নিয়ে আসা হয়েছে। বলে তোমার যদি শুটিং, তুমি যদি না আসো তাহলে ওখানে গিয়ে আমি সব কিছু ভেঙে চুড়ে দেবো। এমনিতেই প্রডিউসাররা বললাম না এটা করার দরকার নেই, আমি আসছি এনিওয়েজ। বাট দ্যাটস এ গ্রেট থিং, আই ডোন্ট ওয়ান্ট টু ওয়েস্ট টাইম। আমি খালি বলতে চাই কে ইফ আই ক্যান মারবো এখানেই, লাশ পড়বে সেখানেই।
যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে আমার সোনার বাংলা,
আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি।